What's up? It's your boy X-Treme and welcome back, my boys, to another review, another review, my boys. And today I'm not gonna make it long, because I have already this product I'm going to show you, but I have a different color. I want to show it to you, my boys. And yeah, without further ado, let's dive in head first. But first, let's take a second and do a huge shout out, my boys, to Tablets and More in Army. Shout out to the people that work there also. Miguel, the technician. He's a dope guy, my boys. So now I'm going to show you how to arrive at Tablets and More. If you want an Army, they have everything you need, my boys. I'm going to put the link, the Facebook page, on my description below. So go and check them out, my boys. They make good prices. Appliances, tablets, phones, accessories, you name it. Bam! Everything in one place, players. So now I'm gonna show you how to arrive there. So if you're from Hazabouch and it's in Il Hamiri Army. My boys, they open from Monday to Saturday from 9:30 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. and they open again at 4 and close at 7:30 from Monday to Saturday. So let's take you there. So here we can see, my boys, that we are at Kia and Army. So now, yeah, I know I'm using Google Maps so I can show you where it is. So you go down with Kia Army. You go down here, and then you turn here, the passenger side. Just a sec, just a sec. Let it load, and you keep going straight down. You keep going straight down. It's near the convenience, my boys. It's nearly door to the convenience. So, oh my God. Damn, these Google Maps, man. And yeah, just let me show you, because we arrived, my boys. We arrived. Just let me go. Six notches up. And here, as you see, there's Tablets and More. They're bam next to the convenience. So Il Hamiri Army it is, my boys. So now let's dive in to see what we got from Tablets and More. Peace. So we are, my boys, back again. And my boys, we got ourselves a bag. No shit. Shout out for the bag. And my boys, look at this. Let me tell you. Ooh, would you look at that, my boys? And if you focus, focus, big words, yo. Big words, though. Red. It's an iPhone 11 red. So it's a 128 gig version. It's a 128 gig version, my boys. Just a second. Okay, so now we have a better angle. This is the iPhone 11, and this one is the 128 gig version, my boys. So yeah, also a tempered glass for it, and a case, a clear case, a little case. So let's open it up and see, my boys. I'm not going to do the specifications and stuff because you already know that shit. You know, maybe I go some of that stuff very quickly, like overlaying. There's fast charge capable, faster Wi-Fi. You know, it has dual SIM with eSIM, and I don't know, you can audio share too, wireless charging, spiral audio, Dolby Atmos. So I don't know if here in Malta the eSIM it's here. I don't know yet. I think you can put two numbers in one SIM. I think that's dope. You know, I really need that. So yeah, let's dive in. Some ASMR shit. Ooh, you know that feeling when you open an Apple product, my boys. You know, it's top. You know, it's dope. OMG. OMG. This is shiny as fuck. It's not like the... I'm going to show it to you later. Relax, my boys. Relax. Oh my god. And you know the best part is, you know what, there's a fucked up part, because the wires, where you don't put them red, you know, the headphones red, and even the charging cable red, you know. Here we have some books and shit as always. Here the product red. Here we have the product red, some Apple stickers and more stuff, you know. Oh my boys, we're gonna get to the juicy stuff, my boys. We're gonna put some Apple stickers on my laptop later on. Although it's not Apple, mine is Asus, as you saw. And my boys, this is dope as hell. Look at the shiny color, my boys. You can see your face. You can do it. You can't even use the mirror. You have the phone. Man, this is fingerprint magnet, yo. It's, you know, there's difference between the iPhone 8, I think the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus. They use the metal red. You know, I love it more like this. Someone more the metal, because if you scratch the metal of the iPhone 11, iPhone 7, you know, it look like silver. You have silver, or it looks ugly, man. And even the front is white, I think, but this is black, straight black with red. Yo, this is going to look good even on a black case. Yo. So yeah, my boys. Ooh, look at that juicy stuff, my boys. Look at that juicy stuff. Let's try. Nah, forget about it. So yeah, my boys, I'm not going to go through to switch it on and that stuff, you know, because we already did in another video. So, my boys, I'm so hyped, my boys. This is the 128 gig version. We're gonna play some dope ass games, you know, on YouTube. So there's nothing left to it. It's your boy X-Treme X-Cal. I'm out. Push.